Hello friends, myself Harish. I am just preparing one video series on Python GUI. So today we will see the introduction about the GUI. So like other programming languages, so Python also supports the GUI. So there are many GUI interfaces are there like WX Python, JPython, tkinter, GTK. So the interfaces are there, but the most popular and preloaded in the Python interface is tkinter. So I'll just give you a brief about tkinter. So first I'll create one folder here. So this is tkinter. In this I'll just save the programs. You can use any editor. So this is the basic editor, and I'll open the terminal. Now like other programming languages, we need to include the tkinter library, like from tkinter import star. So in this capital T, if you are using Python 2.0 something version, so in that case you need to write this capital T. If you are using Python 3.0 or something, so in that case you can use this small t like this, but in Python 2 this should be capital T. And create one object. So when is the object, you can take any variable as a object, and tk. So this will create one object, that is the when. And to display that GUI, we can use win.main loop. So the main purpose of this main loop is to hold the GUI screen on the computer. If you are not putting this one, so that screen will vanish in fraction of a second. So that's why this statement is most important. Like in C programming or somewhere, we write that get ch, that working of that get ch, and this main loop is the same. So it is used to hold that screen, GUI screen on the computer. And here you can write the widgets. So you can write here the widgets. So I'll first save my program. On desktop I have created this tkinter folder, and suppose this is win.py. so I'll just display that window, and I can run this python win.py. You can see this window has been displayed. So with this only 3 lines you can display this GUI window. Now this tk is the default here. You can change this tk, or you can give your name to this window. So how that I'll tell you. When this is the object and title. So here you can put the my first GUI program. This one I can save it, and if I run this, so you can see this one. Just extend this. This is my first GUI program. So I just change this tk to my first GUI program. Also I can fix up the size of this, but how? So for that again you need to write here win.geometry, and you can fix up any size like this, 350 by 250. This one, save it and run it. So this is the size. If you change this, suppose this is 500, save it and run it. So this accordingly this size will be changed, right? So this is only basic program how to display or how to display the GUI window on the computer. So using tkinter, how I can do this. So we have seen this very basic program. So in next video I'll just use some widgets here. So if you like my video, please subscribe it and like it. Thank you very much.